In this video, we'll draw the Lewis structure for NH2I. First thing with Lewis structures, we count the valence electrons. Nitrogen's in group 15, sometimes called 5A, 5 valence electrons. Hydrogen's in group 1, it has 1, but we have 2 hydrogen atoms. Plus iodine has 7. That gives us a total of 14 valence electrons for NH2I. We'll put nitrogen in the center, hydrogens always go on the outsides, and then we'll put our iodine atom here. We have 14 total valence electrons. We'll put electrons, pairs of electrons, between atoms. These will form the chemical bonds. We've used 6. We have a total of 14. So let's complete the octet on the iodine. And at this point, we've used 12. So we have 2 more, which will complete the octet for the nitrogen. And this is our Lewis structure for NH2I. You'll note that hydrogen atoms, they both have 2 valence electrons, so they're good. Nitrogen has 8, it has an octet. Iodine has an octet as well. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for NH2I, and thanks for watching.